Well, it's definitely pushing my patience, this Hemi, but you know, as always, we bite off more than we can chew, and we work through it and find a way. But yeah, I've had to modify the TIG torch as usual, make up a little makeshift extension to actually get it in the manifold. So I'll show you what we're doing. And I had a few guys asking about TIG torches, so I'll show you what we use. We use a little small 20 series Speedway, probably one of the best torches I've ever used, and I've used them now for about 20 years. I find them better than most, but anyway, I'll switch camera. So there's probably better ways, but whenever I need to extend the TIG torch, I always use a bit of welding rod and just tape it to the handle. That way I can flex it and shape it the way I need to actually stick it in a lot further, because as you'll see, we've got to get it right up in there. And now the problem obviously is being, and we've got to get wire in there, is just the line of sight. So I'm struggling with that a little bit, but we're getting it done. But yeah, that's the little Speedway head there, and to get an idea of the size, it's quite a small little torch, especially for a 320 amp torch, you know. That's the hardest thing, obviously, with TIGging. You can go to really small torches. I have some 140s and stuff like that, but with really small caps, so they're like these little girls. But that's a 140 amp torch, and you just really end up killing it. So this is what I do most of the welding with. It's ergonomic handle. They're a really good thing. Yeah, I absolutely trash torches, but yeah, this thing's really good. But yeah, that's the nightmare so far. As you can see, we've tacked it all up, and I'm starting to get under there, starting to weld under there. So it's not too bad, but yeah, going to do all the hard stuff first and lead into the rest of it.